Hey everyone, welcome back to Multidimensional. Are you tired of feeling tired all the time? Do you struggle with stress and anxiety? In today's video, we're going to share some valuable tips on how to improve your sleep, reduce stress, and relax your mind and body. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Establish a bedtime routine. Tip number 1 is to establish a bedtime routine. This can be as simple as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing some gentle stretches. The key is to signal to your brain that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Try to avoid screens for at least an hour before bedtime, as the blue light emitted can interfere with your sleep. Instead, opt for a relaxing activity that helps you unwind. Tip 2. Create a sleep-conducive environment. Tip number 2 is to create a sleep-conducive environment. This means making your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Consider using blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine if necessary. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows, and keep your bedroom clutter-free. This will help you associate your bedroom with sleep and relaxation. Tip 3. Practice relaxation techniques. Tip number 3 is to practice relaxation techniques. There are many techniques to choose from, such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or meditation. Take a few minutes each day to practice relaxation techniques. You can find many guided recordings online or through apps like Headspace or Calm. Tip 4. Get morning sunlight. Tip number 4 is to get morning sunlight. Exposure to natural light in the morning helps regulate your circadian rhythms, which can improve your sleep quality. Spend at least 10 to 15 minutes outside in the morning, or open your curtains to let sunlight in. This will help your body wake up and feel more alert. Tip 5. Limit caffeine and electronics before bed. Tip number 5 is to limit caffeine and electronics before bed. Avoid consuming caffeine for at least 4 to 6 hours before bedtime, as it can interfere with your sleep. Also, try to avoid screens for at least an hour before bedtime, as the blue light emitted can suppress melatonin production. Conclusion. That's it for today's video. Remember, improving your sleep, reducing stress, and relaxing your mind and body takes time and practice. Start with small changes and be patient with yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips.